Our center has lost two major federal funding sources, totaling a loss of more than $1 million for its programs. The nonprofit is forced to look for funding sources elsewhere now. Jaden Urban joins us here in the studio after speaking with Our Center. And Jaden, what are some of the biggest impacts that this will have for their efforts?
Yeah, it will mostly impact the work that happens out in the community. Our center's services at its location near Midtown will still be available, but they will have to cut some programming that they did find significant in 4 main areas.
The Trump administration has come up with some objectives for their budget, which does not include funding any LGBTQ prevention.
Our center, a nonprofit in Reno, is losing more than $1 million of federal funds. While it's not enough to close the doors, it will affect programming.
And so all of the work that we were doing to do alcohol, drug, suicide, and mental health work with LGBTQ youth has been defunded.
The first source that was cut was the Partnership for Success. It was going to bring $240,000 a year for the next 4 years. That grant supports suicide prevention, mental health, and its anti-vaping and prescription drug programs. The other was from the Substance Use Prevention, Treatment, and Recovery Services. That was going to bring almost $130,000. That one centered around alcohol, weed, and nicotine prevention.
The wonderful thing about prevention is if we can get kids in that kind of upstream prevention model to not ever start those kinds of behaviors, that's going to have a great impact for their health and their ability to be, a part of our community.
Despite the loss, our center says they will be doing whatever it takes to help the community.
So what we're going to do is, and we are doing this right now, is putting out that call to the community, to private foundations, and to community funders to try to bridge the gap between what we have lost and what we need to continue to do the work and the mission of the organization.
And if you want to help Our Center, we have the link on our website, 2news.com. Covering the story, Jaden Urban, 2 News Nevada.